Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: Outlook installed, credentials ready, and network access. Open Outlook and choose Add Account. This immediate action starts the configuration flow. Enter your email address exactly, then click Connect. If prompted, choose Exchange, Microsoft 365, or IMAP/POP based on your provider. This selection tells Outlook how to talk to the mail server. Once done, Outlook will attempt auto-discovery. Make sure your password and 2FA device are at hand for the next step. You now handle authentication and security. Approve the 2FA prompt or paste the app code. This step ensures access is secure. If automatic setup fails, choose Manual Setup and enter incoming/outgoing server names, ports, and encryption type. IMAP 993 with SSL/TLS and SMTP 587 with startles are common. Make sure your username format matches provider expectations. Full email versus short name. Once configured, test sending, and finish by tuning sync and personalization. Choose mail sync range, subscribe to folders, and set download preferences to balance speed and storage. Create a signature and set your default sending account so your messages look professional. If something fails, start troubleshooting. Verify server names, ports, and encryption, restart Outlook, remove and re-add the account, and clear cached credentials via Credential Manager. One key tip: enable logging temporarily if persistent errors appear so you can share details with IT.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.